What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we got something exciting. We're going to be putting the motor back in the 240, so let's get that started. Make sure to clean off the flywheel with some brake clean, clean up your clutch, and clean up this plate here, and then we can put it on the motor. Make sure to torque down the bolts to 110 foot-pounds. At this point we were fighting the motor mounts trying to get it in, but with the help of a pry bar we were able to get it.
Oh yeah!
Nice. That's what the hell yeah, that's exactly what you wanted. Time to disconnect the crane from the motor.
What about just like a small, like 2 or 3 microfibers folded over on themselves?
Yeah, that's probably
That's pretty much what weapon.
Alright guys, we got the motor mounts tightened up. She's good to go. So during the motor install, me and Aiden found that I had a yellow jacket problem, so we had to take care of that real quick. Now I'm reinstalling the power steering pump. And now I'm tightening up the lines to the power steering reservoir. Now that the wiring jacket is replaced on these electric fan wires, it's looking great. Next, it's time to get the radiator mounted. right, guys, that wraps it up for this video. Huge thank you to my friend Aiden and my friend Marshall. I could not have done it without these guys, so huge thank you to them. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe for future content. I'll see you guys in the next one.